The Potensic ATOM Drone is a compact, palm-sized gadget that does not require Federal Aviation Administration or remote identification registration, making it an easy-to-carry option for your adventures. Equipped with a Sony Complementary Metal-Oxide-Semiconductor sensor and a 12 megapixels camera capable of recording 4K at 30 frames per second video, this drone ensures high-quality image and video capture, even in level 5 windy conditions, thanks to its 3-axis brushless gimbal. The drone comes with a fast charge feature that fully charges 3 batteries in 1.5 hours, providing an impressive total flight time of 96 minutes. With upgraded PixSync 3.0 technology, the drone boasts a maximum transmission range of 6 kilometers, ensuring flexibility and confidence in controlling the drone. The drone camera supports visual tracking and quick shots, allowing for creative video recording options such as pull-away, rocket, circle, spiral, and boomerang. The Atom Drone is beginner-friendly with its enhanced global positioning system capabilities and return-to-home feature, which allows the drone to return to its takeoff point with just a tap on the phone.